Good morning students, welcome to your GK class. Now today we will discuss about microbiology and it is chapter 4. Okay, what is microbiology? Microbiology is the study of microorganisms. Okay, microbes are microorganisms. They are sometimes called bugs because they can cause problems like diseases, but they are not all bad. Disease, but they are not all bad. Read the description about these and unscramble their names. This exercise you have to do. Okay. First is often dismissed as germs which cause illness. They help us do an amazing array of useful things like make vitamins break down some types of garbage and maintain our atmosphere. Now these germs sometimes they cause illness also, but sometimes they are useful for us also because they do the breakdown of the garbage and also they are helpful to make vitamins. Okay, and the name is, when we will unscramble the letters, the name which will come is bacteria. Okay, now the first answer is bacteria. Second, from a single-celled yeast to a 3.5-mile wide mushroom, they do everything from helping to make bread to recycling to decomposing waste. Now these are the single yeast also, and they are also 3.5-mile wide mushrooms also, and they are helpful to bake bread. And the name is, answer is fungi. Fungi, fungi. Third, these bacteria look-alikes are living fossils that are providing clues to the earliest forms of life on earth. Now these bacteria look like living fossils, but they are providing clues to the living forms of life on earth. And when we will unscramble the letters, the name which will come is Archaea. Okay, Archaea, Archaea. These are bacteria, okay, and are also look like living fossils, Archaea. Fourth, plant like algae produce much of the oxygen we breathe. Animal like protozoa help maintain the balance of microbial life. They are in the group of algae also. Now means this group Protista, they are also plant like algae which produce much of the oxygen we breathe. They are also protozoa which help in maintaining the balance of microbial life because they feed on bacteria. In that way they maintain the balance of the microbial life. And the name which will come after unscrambling the letter is Protista. Okay. Now the fourth answer is Protista. Protista. Fifth, unable to do much of anything on their own. They go into host cells to reproduce, often wreaking havoc and causing disease. Their ability to move genetic information from one cell to another makes them useful for cloning DNA and could provide a way to deliver gene therapy. Now these living organisms are unable to do much of the things on their own. Means they अपने आप से कुछ नहीं कर सकते. They go into host cell to reproduce, also causes diseases. Okay. Wreaking havoc means they create such a situation, such a situation that it causes diseases. Their ability is also to move genetic information from one cell to another cell. They are also useful for cloning DNA. Okay, cloning DNA means DNA की कॉपी बना देते हैं. Okay, उनमें ऐसी क्षमता होती है कि वे DNA की कॉपी बना सकते हैं. Means same type of DNA वो बना सकते हैं. And they also provide a way to deliver gene therapy. They are also helpful to deliver gene therapy. And the name is viruses. Okay. Nowadays you are going through this coronavirus. Okay. You know how much of disturbance this virus has created in our world. Okay. Now coming to next chapter, and that is creeping creatures. Chapter 5. क्रीपिंग क्रिएचर्स मतलब रेंगने वाले जानवर. दिस इज चैप्टर 5. CREEPING क्रीपिंग, CREATURES creatures. Now what are creeping creatures? Small six-legged creatures often seen in gardens and around plants are commonly referred to as insects. Different varieties of insects are found in the world. Now you have to answer the questions and learn more about these creeping creatures. Now first one, these insects damage our furniture. They are also called white ants. These insects damage our furniture. You have seen that many times your table or chair is getting hole. Now these are also called white ants, and the answer is termites. Okay, जिसे बोलते हैं हिंदी में दीमक. First answer is TERMITES, termites. Black widow, cardinal and funnel web are all types of. These are the name of the insect, and the name of insect is spiders. This insect name is also black widow, cardinal and funnel web. Okay, and the answer is spiders. These insects produce a chirping sound by rubbing their front wings together. These insects produce the chirping sounds. How they produce a chirping sound? By rubbing their wings together, front wing. And the answer is crickets. जिसे बोलते हैं हिंदी में झिंगुर. CRICKETS, crickets. Fourth one, common household insect found between the pages of a book. These are sometimes found between the pages of the book also, and the name is silver fish. You have seen that small white silver color ant like creatures are moving. Okay, छोटे छोटे एंड की तरह के सिल्वर कलर के ये क्रिएचर्स होते हैं, छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट होते हैं जो कि बुक्स के बीच में रहते हैं, एंड द नेम इज सिल्वर फिश. फोर्थ इज सिल्वर फिश. Insects that destroy crops, and the answer is locusts, which we call in Hindi tidde. Okay, locusts. You have heard that last year how much disturbance they had made. These insects had made last year. Okay, during July and to September month. Sixth, dash live in colonies with a strict social structure and communicate with others of its kind by leaving a trail of chemicals. And the answer is ants. They live in colonies with a strict social structure. 7. Imperial, marbled and desert are all types of scorpions. Answer is scorpions. SCORPIONS. Imperial, marble and deserts are all types of scorpions. 8. Dengue fever, also known as break-bone fever, is transmitted by several species of this insect. This you may know. What is the answer? Mosquito. MOSQUITO. The name of this insect is a corruption of the Spanish word. The name of this insect is corruption of the Spanish word. The answer is cockroach. COCKROACH. 10th, These insects taste with their feet. Now these insects taste with their feet because they have taste buds on their feet. The answer is butterflies. 10th answer is butterflies. Okay children, these two pages, page number 11 and 12, you have to do in your GK book. Okay children, now this much for today's class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you children.